Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the crowned hacker rod skin in the fish it game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the crowned hacker rod skin looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how you can unlock it. If you want to unlock it, you need to complete the classic event quest. Okay, you can go to this menu, and here you will find your daily quest, and you need to earn ticks to unlock the crowned hacker rod skin. Okay, and I have already unlocked this skin, so we can equip the skin, and I'm going to show you how you can apply it to your rod. Just go to the rod, and then you can scroll all the way to the right, and you will be able to this crowned hacker skin, and you just need to click on equip skin to change your rod skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the crowned hacker rod skin in Fish It Game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.